I bought this Respawn gaming chair from an Amazon Lightning Deals in October last year. We're now in August, so it's maybe 8 months old. I'm having a lot of trouble with it. The sides and seams are all fraying. The base is coming apart. The reclining mechanisms aren't working. They're not catching properly. In short, it's really wearing really fast. I haven't even had it a year. When I go on the website, they say that they're guaranteed for 5 years. And then when you read down, it says something about 2 years with the cloth and the mechanism. The whole chair is really only 2 years. So here is my ordeal with this chair that still has not been resolved. The chair is coming loose from the base, as you can see there. I got in there and I tightened everything up that I can, but it looks like the attachment in that base is kind of worn. And you can see here the edges are wearing out, and there is no way anything touches those edges. And this this lever broke, and my chair only goes in the back. I checked to see if there were any bolts there to tighten anything up, and I didn't see anything. I mean, the chair is really wearing out, and I haven't had it for a year. Amazon provides great support up to 45 days. After that, you're on your own. Follow up on my Respawn gaming chair is definitely a thumbs down. Run! Do not get it. There's no support, and they also told me that the company had changed over, and this is a common practice with companies. They'll transfer the company to a different name, and then that way they're not responsible for the warranties. Lately, I've been having a lot of problems with products I bought on Amazon. And yes, I'm working on a video to it. So be looking for that probably in the next couple weeks. That's all I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.